We'll kickstart this edition with some news just coming in. Patiala Law University protests rage on. Pervit Vice Chancellor is defiant, called the students' allegations baseless, informed warden before girls' hostel visit. Visited the girls' hostel to check the occupancy, says the VC. Students, though, are demanding the resignation of the Vice Chancellor here.
What is saying they are doing? That is totally false time. The time was about lunch time, and I visited the hostel about 2 p.m. with my chief warden, with my female guards, and about 20 girl students.
But sir, Priyanka Gandhi, Vadra, Shashi Tharoor, now they are tweeting.
Those comments are based on media, not on realities.
No, sir, they are asking about your resignation. They say a VC should resign. So have you make up your mind how you?
They are our students, and with the we have called meeting of the students, and with the students we shall try to resolve the problem. My main objective is to resolve the problem.
Getting in more details on that story, what has really happened here? Give us an idea, because the VC here continues to be defiant. What about an independent probe in this matter? Just tell us more details, Aman.
Still the protest is on, and the committee which was formed by the student and the administration of university held their meeting, and they are discussing how to resolve this issue, because it has marked an allegation on the VC that he entered the girls' hostel, and the inspection that took place was impromptu, and sort of the staff which need to be accompanied is not along with the VC as well. So it raised several questions, and it's not for the first time that VC did something that's absurd or been questionable. It's for the second or third time that incidents such as this is taking place, and that's what students are not comfortable with. So they are asking for the resignation of VC Jai Shankar, and they have also asked that to resolve this, new VC should be appointed. But other side, VC marked this allegation as baseless because there's no audio video evidence to the remarks that he made on the clothes of the in girls' hostel, that he make remarks on the girls students who are studying, and other remarks that are mentioned by the student as allegations. So there's no evidence to it. So it justified to be a baseless. That's what VC has to say. And he also further states that he's been appointed by the Chief Justice of Punjab Haryana High Court. So the matter is in the notice as well, and he's been conveying that all information in a written way to the Punjab Haryana High Court Chief Justice as well. So whatever students demand and their issues are, they can be resolved by through a committee or by sitting in a meeting with the students as well. But the issue should be resolved. But now it's the 5th day, the issue isn't resolved yet, and students are demanding for the resignation of Vice Chancellor Jai Shankar. Otherwise, other side also, he just comments on Priyanka Gandhi, Shashi Tharoor, that it's not Haryana that elections are going on and political class is making such statements. They should come here, they should visit hostel, because for the reason he went for the girls' hostel is just for the occupancy, that 2 girls are staying in a accommodation that's to be taken by one girl. That was the major concern, and he was demanded for a survey by the
defended himself, saying that all that he was trying to do was an occupancy test. I'm going to thank you for getting in those details there, Aman Bharadwaj. A controversy erupted at the Rajiv Gandhi National University of Law, Patiala. Incident centers around the Vice Chancellor's late-night visit to the girls' hostel. Students argue that they were not dressed appropriately for a male to enter, accusing the VC of entering rooms without consent and notice. But what is disturbing is that the students are alleging that this wasn't an isolated incident. On the other side, the VC claims he entered the hostel to address complaints of smoking and drinking, accompanied by staff, and the chief warden insists he informed the warden beforehand. He further explained that the visit was prompted by students' complaints about overcrowding in the hostel. The Punjab Women's Commission has now intervened, and a special committee will investigate the grievances of the students and the circumstances surrounding the visit.
तो इन सब चीजों के बाद जो हम कर रहे हैं, आपने हमें मजबूर कर रहे हैं करने के लिए. हमने इतने टाइम से कुछ नहीं बोलता. कल आप एक लड़की के कमरे में गए हो, वो कंसेंट वायलेशन है. और अगर आपको लगता है एन अपॉलॉजी इज ओके कि अगर आपने एक सॉरी बोल दिया उससे कंसेंट वायलेशन ठीक है, तो वो गलत है. आप लड़कों के लिए गलत एग्जाम्पल सेट कर रहे हो कि वो किसी का भी कंसेंट वायलेट करेंगे और सॉरी बोलेंगे तो ठीक हो जाएगा।
उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि मैं सिर्फ फर्स्ट ईयर लड़कियों के कमरे में गया हूँ, बाकी बैचेस क्यों करें। ये सरासर झूठ है। ऑन कैमरा हमारे पास प्रूफ है कि वो थर्ड ईयर के बच्चों के कमरों में भी गए थे, वो और बैचेस के बच्चे में भी कमरों में गए थे। तो वो सरासर कैमरा पे मीडिया को झूठ बोल रहे हैं अपनी साइड बेटर करने के लिए। इसीलिए उनका इस कॉलेज में रहना, उनका इस हाई पोजीशन पे होना अब सेंस नहीं बनता है बिल्कुल भी।
Today we are protesting against the measures taken by the VC, the statements given by the VC. It started by one trigger event when the VC entered the girls' hostel and entered unaccompanied by the hostel warden or any female guard, which were called by the students later. He entered the rooms of various students ranging from the first year and the third year as well. This incident was only a trigger, and there are various other issues ranging from the statements given by the VC, moreover how he's acted with the students, the academic freedom that has been curtailed, which is why today we are sitting here since the past 4 days and would continue to sit for the next whatever many days that we have to until we get a resignation from the Vice Chancellor.
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵੀ ਕਹਿਣ ਦਾ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਤਰਕ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ। ਕੁਝ ਫੀਮੇਲ ਫੈਕਲਟੀਜ਼ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ। ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਕੰਸੈਂਸਸ ਤੇ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਕਿ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਰਿਪਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟੇਟਿਵਸ ਚੁਣਨਗੇ ਔਰ ਇਧਰੋਂ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਕਹਿਣਗੇ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਫੈਕਲਟੀ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਇਹ ਹੋਣੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ, ਜਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਬਾਹਰ ਦਾ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਪੈਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਜਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਾਸਨ ਦੀ ਤਰਫ ਤੋਂ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪੈਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਉਹ ਕਮੇਟੀ ਬਣੇਗੀ। ਔਰ ਮੈਂ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੈ ਬਹੁਤ। ਜੇ ਉਹ ਕਹਿਣਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਫੇਰ ਆਵਾਂਗੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਪਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਕਰਾਂ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੇਰਾ ਕੰਮ ਹੀ ਇਹ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਗਰਲਜ਼ ਦੀ ਸੇਫਟੀ ਐਂਡ ਸਿਕਿਉਰਿਟੀ